Hi guys, pardon the lighting. I just want to say happy Monday to you guys. Also, just wanted to say thanks for continuing to watch my videos. Thanks for continuing to subscribe. Thanks for continuing to like my videos. So welcome back. Welcome back to Moto Monday. I really just wanted to share with you guys something that really changed my life with regards to achieving goals and setting goals. So I wanted to say to you today, stop waiting to take action. Really stop waiting to take action. There's never going to be a good time to follow your dreams. Never going to be a good time to start taking your first step. The stars are not going to align. You'll never feel adequate enough. You'll never feel good. You'll never be in the right place. There's never a good time. There's never going to be a good time. The right time is the time that you choose. You know, you choose when that time is going to be. So something's always going to come up. There's always going to be one more thing, because there always is. You just have to seize the moment, manifest your destiny, carve out time, So what was a game changer for me when it comes to setting my goals was the fact that I I created a system for getting closer to my goals. I didn't just wait. And I'm still not waiting now. So whenever I think of something that I could be doing, I'll set things in place. I say, 2 days from now, I'll do this, or next month, I'll do this. And when that time comes, I do end up doing it. So there's never a right time. What changed my life was when I systematized it. So it just goes like this. You have to think, first of all, you have to start with your thinking. You have to stop thinking that the timing isn't right, and you have to literally say to yourself, this is my destiny. No one deserves this better than I do. I can think of no one else on earth that deserves this more than I do. This is what I want to do. This will change my life. This will enrich me, or this will just make all the things that I want to change right now change, and say, this is for me. Create like a sense of urgency about it. So really, some of the things I've done is I've set aside 1 hour a day, half hour a day after my kids are sleeping, 15 minutes a day to reflect on it, to say, what am I doing? What have I not done? And yeah, that's what I really wanted to share with you guys today. I wanted to just just finalize this video by saying life is too short to delay your dreams. Life is too short to always think there's going to be another day. In reality is we only have such a short time here on earth. If you started living your life with intentionally, thinking that you just have 1 week to live, having that mentality, will really bring a different kind of energy in you to accomplish the things that you want to accomplish. No more delaying, no more sacrificing things that are going to be good for you. You deserve it. You deserve every effort that it takes to reach to that destination of yours. Okay, so start taking action today, you guys. I'm here. I will support you however I can. If you have any questions, just write it in the comments, or anything that you want to add, or suggestions or anything. But hey, life's too short. You deserve this. Manifest your destiny. No one deserves this better than you. I can think of no one else. And just move on forward like that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you on Wealth Wednesday. Thank you, guys. Have a good rest of your Monday.